everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make moving text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's begin the video. Begin by opening your Premiere Pro. So we have a text here that we want to animate. Or you can add the text you want to animate using the Type tool. Select the text layer, go to the Effect Controls panel and set keyframes for the properties you want to animate, like position, scale. Move the playhead to different points in the timeline and adjust the properties to create the desired movement. So it's that easy. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.